not so bad.
Well, everything is dangerous with you. Now, I'm not going. Period.
Oh, Brittany, listen, she loves you, not each other.
Okay, I don't care. I'm not going. What part of that do you not get?
I get that I love you, I'm your mom, and I'm never, ever going to quit
So guess what? I don't get that, and guess what? I don't care. I'm not going.
Why?
Because all the things that happened in the past, do you think I want to go back there?
You can go straight back.
I don't care. I'm not going.
Okay, really?
No, 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 no. I don't care. No.
I understand
No.
you don't care, but there's a lot of other people
Well, apparently you don't.
for you.
You don't understand.
Okay.
Because you keep on trying to persuade me to do it, and you know that if you really do get that, then you wouldn't be pushing me as hard.
Okay. Really? All I gotta say is I understand a lot better than you think what you're feeling and where you are right now. And
You come follow me? Well, I'm not going.
okay, you need to go.
I'm not going.
Okay. I think
I'm not
that is not a wise choice.
I'm not going. I don't care if it's a wise choice or not.
Okay, well, Lily, your Aunt Brittany is driving here
So
from
that's
home,
great.
and she's so excited to see you.
Yeah, that's great.
And you
Because I'm
guys
not.
have an awesome. Once you get there, you can go straight out.
No.
God.
No. No. No.
All right.
No.
Tom, do you want to tell them what's up if we're not?
Yeah, like this needs to happen because I mean this has been going on forever. You know?
Well, I'm not going. Daisy, come here, please. Please. Come on.
She's just gonna sit here and get poisoned.
She's not getting poisoned.
We gotta get Daisy over here away from her because Joe's already been very like aggressive.
Daisy's fine.
Front, like around, trying to come around the car, and now Daisy feels up there.
Well, why don't you just get in the car? And I mean, so Jerry's gonna go to jail if they don't get in the car. I mean, so I don't know what else to say. Like Jerry, if this like what happens today affects Jerry's, and Tom knows it, and I don't know what else to say other than try to be sweet and let the girls get in the car. Otherwise, their dad's gonna go to jail. I mean, I don't really know what else to say. So we can try to be, you know.
Well, I want to live with my dad. Why
You're not
can't
gonna
he?
live with your mom. You're just gonna go stay with her for the weekend.
I don't want
Your mom's
to.
staying with Brittany.
I don't care.
It's gonna be fun.
She's going to be there.
Brittany will be there.
No, I don't care. Mom's going to be there.
Well, why doesn't Paige leave and you can hang out with Aunt Brittany?
Because I don't want to. I just don't.
Okay, well, Lily, you guys need to, and I think it's...
Well, if Mom's there, I'm not going.
It is a little bit bigger than you understand. I'm your mom. Okay, and I
Well,
get
guess
it,
what? I don't care.
I get it that we have healing to do, Lily, but you know what?